In this video, I will show some sure ways to make money on TikTok. Now, the first way is getting a portion of the TikTok Creator Fund. And you need to be producing top content and with a certain number of followers and views to qualify for this fund. The second sure way to make money on TikTok is to get virtual gifts and coins from your audience, mostly through live sessions. And you can redeem these gifts and coins for diamond, then real cash. Another sure way to make money on TikTok is through affiliate marketing. And there are so many companies with affiliate programs where you can sell their products or services. And you just need to include an affiliate link or a code in your profile or a video in description and earn a commission when someone buys through the link or using the code. The next way to make money on TikTok is selling your own products, merchandise, or services. And you can sell like everything from physical products and digital products to offering a device and security tests or jobs. And you just need to direct your audience to where they can buy or access the products or services. And you can use the TikTok shopping feature or TikTok ads or TikTok business account to boost your sales. And there's also sponsored content or brand partnership as another sure way to make money on TikTok. And here, you get paid by brands to promote their products or services as an influencer. And you can just mention the brand, product, or service on your video, or create a whole video about the brand, product, or service. And you can connect with more brands on TikTok Creator Marketplace. In addition, you can do crowdfunding or fan funding as another sure way to make money on TikTok. And this involves asking your audience for monetary support, donations, or tips. And you can also take your videos to membership platforms like Patreon or Coffee and earn a subscription fee. And some bonus, other ways to make money on TikTok include promoting other people's songs and content for pay, posting your videos to your website or YouTube channel and monetizing them, creating and selling TikTok accounts, collaborating with the top creators to boost your earnings, licensing your videos to media houses or other interested parties, launching your career in including music and commenting, and becoming TikTok consultant or talent manager. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on TikTok and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.